Experience stunning graphics at 60 frames per second, powered by NVIDIA's latest technology. Reliable AI ball tracking, precise and unaffected by sunlight or external influences. Advanced LiDAR technology from Pepperl and Fuchs ensures maximum accuracy. Bright Full HD laser projectors with over 30,000 hours of nearly maintenance-free operation. Simple replacement with automatic parameter restoration to save costs. Control your entire system with one central software. Create playlists for any occasion, from kids' birthdays to disco bowling. Schedule playlists and events with just a few clicks. Play advertising videos automatically, exactly when you want. Seamless connection to your scoring system. One-click startup, simple and efficient for your staff. Lane Move is constantly evolving, giving you access to continuous innovation and higher profitability. Sustainable, user-friendly, and future-proof. Aero Technology stands for maximum efficiency, minimal maintenance, ultimate reliability. Plug-and-play systems, ready in no time. NGT Bowling Pro, bowling reimagined.